This is a story about the type of friends who make our world, wherever we are. Friends who leave footprints in our hearts, even though they are far away most of the time. Yet somehow they resist time and distance. Because life's journey once tied and bonded you together. So whenever you see one another, it's like traveling back in time or rediscovering the world through each other's eyes all over again. It's a beautiful and misty Cape Town morning. 6:30, the day is slowly rising. I'm picking up 2 friends now, and then we'll hit the road.
Got my coffee. I'm happy.
Sausage roll, chips, chicken risotto, brownie.
Very healthy. It's good breakfast.
More food.
Yeah.
Energy drink.
We are on our way to the Hoop Nature Reserve now. It's about 3 or 4 hours away from Cape Town. Little horse stop. Oh.
This one's beautiful, eh?
You're so pretty.
You see, it's already like gone.
Do you want to give the black one?
That's perfect.
Hey, dude. Oh my word. They're singing us a little song.
So cute.
Aww.
We were free.
Yeehaw! This is heaven. Wow. And there are eland all around us. What the heck? South Africa always surprises you again. And there you have the dunes in the background, like Egypt in the middle of an ostrich and eland paradise.
I think there's crocodiles here. This is so sick.
Unreal. So unexpected.
Look at that. Yo. That's dope.
That is dope. Indeed.
I'm happy you said work for this.
Wow. Look how the water is shimmering and shining and glittering. And it goes on. Putting up our tents.
I think it used to feel so hard as a kid, eh? Spotted eagle owl, dusty puff adders, Cape clawless otter, caracal.
What's a caracal?
It's like those lynx looking things.
Oh, that's cool.
A black oyster catcher, a Cape hare, and an African fish eagle. They're one of the most venomous snakes.
Sand dunes, Shannon. And we're going for a little hike now, or a walk. I met these 2 at university, where they started dating. Years later, I was lucky enough to be a bridesmaid at their wedding. The most magical wedding I have ever attended. Why? They care and love with such depth that the world around them seems to blush. That is so crazy. And off we
feels like
go.
a music video. See.
There's some baboons over there. Can you hear that sound? So that is baboons eating. They're in the trees here. This special time with these two special people really made me realize that friendship isn't a big thing. It's a million little things. It's speaking the same energy language, reading and tuning into each other's vibes, and vibing together.
Okay, welcome everybody. Today we are out here at De Hoop, which is a camping site out in the Western Cape. Today we are doing a true conversations game where we have to honor honest, real questions about being a human. And we're just going to see where it goes. It's the first episode of our channel, so let's see how it goes.
And if the camera shakes a bit, that's because it's hanging in the tree. Because this is a spontaneous setup.
Nature's our assistant today.
Shan, you starting.
Okay.
Alright, so I got a card here. Pull on.
Okay, so the question is, what is the thing that you would do if you weren't afraid at all? So
It's a beautiful, misty morning, and I just found some spider webs with some huge spiders. Okay, here's the first one. I don't know if you can even see that with this thing. Can you see, Shan?
whoa.
It's crazy, right?
There's eggs as well.
But now, check the biggest spider web, like, ever. It's down here. How huge is this? This one's even bigger. It's so cool. I mean, they're everywhere here. This is like spider paradise. This is a whole spider continent.
My word!
There it
Oh.
is. Amazing.
That one's moving there.
There's his best friend. There's his grandfather.
Compared to my hand, he's huge.
There's another one here. Up there. Morning, Rick.
Oh shit.
How did you sleep?
Okay, Henny.
So you completely succeeded at camping without a mattress, just with blankets. Well done.
Hey, look here, love. Each one of these webs have a spider that's just that kind of like species and that big. Look at that yellow.
It's not poisonous.
Yeah, like you won't die if it bites you. I'm 100% like sure. I'm serious. Takes about 10 seconds, and then we'll have some nicely filtered, purified water. They're like dinosaur feet. Bye, dude. Feels like driving through the
Jurassic Park.
Oh, I love driving on sand. It's one of my favorite things in the world.
Did you ever play Rayman?
Wow. Birdies. And dudes. Oh, Shannon. Yeah, okay, this is bad. This was a bad place. And
That was a lovely sound. Okay, now you're going right.
it's still a Suzuki, just a small one. Alright. Cool. Look at who's looking at us. That's so cute. That's a cool animal. What is that? We haven't seen that yet. I love snails. They're my favorite animals. Hello.
Why?
Because I want to say hi. Like now he's eating my finger. Look at his little eyes on like these things. It's so cute. Did you know that snails are not crawling? They're swimming on their self-made slime.
That's so funny.
It's weird, right?
Only if you look like you can see it's moving.
That's true. He's tired. He's crossed the whole road. Whoa. Imagine living here. And then the beach is down there. Another snail is like a little bit lost. His track doesn't seem like you've got a good plan on where you're going. So let's put you somewhere that is less sandy. When you collect litter here, you get a free coffee or drink. This is sick. We should hop in and have a swim. Look at this beach. This is like pristine.
Well, there's more beaches to come.
This is amazing. It is like out of a movie. Oh,
Sci-fi here.
This is your country, guys. You should know these.
Our city.
How awesome is it if your own country surprises you?
There's tiny little snails.
We're in one of the most beautiful places in the world. I feel like this has been one of my favorite trips of all times, with people that I love. The best things are the ones that you don't plan, the unexpected little ideas. Yeah, that you turn into reality. Sometimes life happens in a series of hellos and goodbyes. Though it can be painful, it's what creates the deepest appreciation for every moment. What did you find?
5 rand.
That's so funny.
It's so rusty.
The brick showing this one.
What about that?
Beautiful. You have a second chance at life, so don't waste it.
You better do something big in this world. So grateful to be alive. And some mussels for lunch. Thank you to the friends who make our world, wherever we are. And here I am, back in Cape Town. It's still misty, dropped Shannon and Ricky off. And if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe.